Hi all, this is Hema from Hema Solutions. I'm very glad to present with you my 1 year, 1 crore, one earth movement. Yes, it is the most special moment for me because I'm taking 1 crore sustainability movement in WhatsApp community for you. This is going to be 365 days together, and yes, we are together in this whole journey. Let's see what we are going to do together. This is not just a moment, it is something where we are going to change habits. We are going to spark on what is called sustainability, and a great attitude towards our planet for healthy, wealthy, and happy lifestyle. This is one special moment where which is going to start in our WhatsApp group. 1 crore moment is right here in WhatsApp every day for you starting from January 1st. It's simply called 1 full year, 1 crore, 1 earth. Okay. In this free 365 days challenge, all I'm expecting you is to be consistent and be dedicated towards the challenge. What are you going to do? What are the benefits you're going to get is right here. First, we will be sending you a text message or audio or video every day. All you need to do is from anywhere, from any time, no matter who you are, you can start it right away with a very small habit as a ignite. This small ignite is more than enough for you to be a sustainable person soon. By the end of 2026, you will be a sustainable person. And this actionable video, audio, or text messages will be sent to this WhatsApp group every day. All you need to do is just follow the instructions and do the actionable steps according to the day. And if you are working, if you are a housewife, if you are a retired person, if you are a student, no matter who you are, this whole program is designed for people who are just ready to be a sustainable person. As simple as that. So, yes, join us in this moment. You will see a lot of difference in you. So, how can you be accountable? As I said, every day we will be sending you a text or audio or video message. All you need to do is just take a diary or a notebook for yourself and make a note of every step we share in this group. This small step has to be there in your action. So when you write in your journal, you need to write what exactly have you done about it. This is a very clear plan program. Hence, your accountability matters. So every Sunday, we planned for extra point in your progress in this challenge where we will be adding a journaling prompt. This will help you to be accountable for the entire week activities. What if you missed one day? No mind. It is always a practice that we may have to miss few hours a day, but here I have an exclusive program for you, so you don't have to miss anything. The entire script is right there in the WhatsApp group. So yesterday if you miss a point, if you miss a session, don't worry, you are still up to the challenge. You can able to continue it next day with the same task as well. So you can complete two tasks, two challenge in a day. Likewise, it goes throughout the year. And there is a weekly accountability journaling as well. So every week you will be provided with a journaling question. And do you know something in this? You will be learning how to share, how to care, how to declutter, and even beyond. You will learn a lot of things. You will do a lot of new activities, exploring, volunteering, and several other opportunities, which are the secret of this whole program. I hope you will be having a wonderful time. As I told you earlier, this program is exclusively happening only in our WhatsApp group. So join in 1 year long sustainability challenge. This is going to be a great beginning for both of us. And I'm pretty sure at the end of 2026, you will be a better sustainable person. And yes, we are going to take this as a movement to 1 crore people. Please let me know how you have been progressing whenever possible throughout this 365 days. I really would love to know your progress. And yes, you have to do certain responses, like you have to post your progress in social media, you have to talk about your progress to your friends and family. In that way, you will have a community support for your activities. Isn't that great? This whole sustainitude movement is not just for one person, it is about the whole community development. This total transformation is not just for self, it's not just for community alone, it is for the whole planet. From January 1st, 2026, we are going to have a blasting beginning of this whole 1 year movement. I hope this challenge is really up to you, because you are the person who chose to be a sustainable person. You chose this planet over the luxury, over the decluttering, over